Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add Jotform to Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password here. Click on this website button below the Squarespace you want to add Jotform on. Go to Pages. Click on your contact page, for example, or any page from this list. You can also add it on a blog post article. It's pretty much similar. First, after selecting your page, click on this edit button from the top to go into the editing mode of Squarespace. Let's delete this button and click on add block. Look for the code block and place it here. Now go to jotform.com. Let's sign up using my Google account. Select one of these templates from Jotform. I will go with this feedback form. You click on use template. This is my Jotform form. You can edit your Jotform by going to properties, editing the field label. You can also edit the label alignment, and you can check if it is required or not. And from these options tab, you can display other. You can check many settings. Shuffle. There are many settings to play with. Let's select the second. Same thing, you can edit the field label, the label alignment, if it is required or not. Under advanced, you can set the width and height of this section. You can also enable entry limits and so on. After editing your Jotform form, go to settings. From this form settings, you can edit the form title, also the form status from enabled or not. You can also edit the email address where you will receive notifications. You can set up conditions or logic and set a thank you page or edit it. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. You can connect your Jotform form with other apps like Salesforce, Google Sheets, Google Drive, PayPal Personal. From approval flows, you can allow your employees, for example, to approve or deny submissions. After this settings step, go to the publish step and select embed. This is the code you need to copy. Then go back to your Squarespace edit page, select your code block, click on this little pen, select this code and replace it with this one from Jotform. Close this window. Now you can resize your Jotform form and click on save. Exit this editing mode to go into the preview mode. And this is your page live. And this is how to add a Jotform to Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.